Good day, everyone. This is grade 12 mathematics paper 2, circle geometry. Right. So, in the question 9, in the diagram ABCD, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram with AB. AB it is 40, AB it is 14 units. And then AD is produced to E such that AD is to DE. AD is to DE. It is 4, it is to 3. EB intersect DC at F, and then EB is 21. Okay, we are told that EB is 21 units. So then now 9.1. Calculate with reasons the length of FB, or we want FB. Therefore, now these two are parallel. Therefore, now we can say FB over EB, it is equal to DA over EA. And then we can say the reason is prop theorem, right? Proportionality theorem, and we can say DC, it is parallel to AB. Very good. Therefore, now FB, for us to solve FB, we can say FB of EB, where is EB, it is 21, right? So 21, it is equal to DA, 21. So here we are told that AD is to DE. AD, it is 4, let's say P, and then now this is 3P, right? It is ratio. Therefore, now we can say our DA, it is 4P, right? Over our EA, it is 3 plus 4, which is 7P. Therefore, now we can cross multiply, and then FB, it is equal to 4P multiplied by 21 divided by 7P. Therefore, now FB is equal to 12 units. Very good. 9.2. So 9.2, prove with reasons that the triangle DEF, triangle DEDF, so EDF, it is similar to triangle EAB, right? So then now we have to prove that. Therefore 9.2, and then with reasons. Therefore now we can say that in triangle EDF and triangle E, and in triangle EAB. Therefore now we can see we have a smaller triangle which is EDF, and the larger one which is EAB. Therefore now we can say E, it is equal to what? To E. The angle E is equal to angle A, because what? It is common, right? It is a common angle. We can also say that EDF, right? It is equal to A. EDF, it is equal to A. The reason being it is corresponding angles, right? We can also say that EFD, all right, it is equal to EBA. The reason being EFD, it is equal to EBA. It is still corresponding angles. Very good. Therefore, now we can say now triangle EDF, it is similar to triangle EAB, and we can say this is angle, right? Therefore, now 9.3. So 9.3, calculate with reasons the length of FC. FC, where is FC? This is our FC, so we want this length. Therefore now we can say DF over AB, it is equal to ED over EE, right? DF over AB, it is equal to ED over EE, right? Over EE. You know, this is our EE. So DF over AB, it is equal to ED, right, over EE. The reason being similarity triangles, right? Therefore, now we can say our DF over AB. Therefore, now our AB it is what? It is 40, right? 40. It is equal to ED. Our ED, it is 3P. 3P over EA. Our EA is 7P, right? 7P. Therefore, now we can cross multiply, and then DF, it is equal to 3P multiplied by 14 over 7P. Therefore, now your DF, it is equal to what? It is equal to 6. It is equal to 6 units. But now we want to find the length of FC. Therefore, now we can say AB, it is the same as what? As DC, right? So they are equal because this is a what? A parallelogram. You have to know the properties of parallelogram. The two opposite sides are equal. Therefore, now we can say FC, it is equal to 14 minus 6, excuse me, which is 8 units, right? Because AB is the same as DC. Therefore, now because we've already found DF, which is 6 units, therefore now to find FC, it is 14 minus 6, which is 8. Very good. So let's go to the following question. So question 9, in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AD and BC intersect at E. Alright, so then now we are given AB 8, DB 15, DC 18 centimeter, AC it is 10, and BC it is 12. Therefore now 9.1. 9.1 is saying sorry about that. So they are saying 9 point, prove that triangle ABC, it is similar to triangle CBD, right? So then now let's prove that. So we have BC over CD. We take the two first letters, BC over CD. So BC over CD, and BC it is 12. 12 over CD it is 18. 18, right? It is equal to 2 over 3. Therefore now we can take CA and DB. Therefore now we can say AC over DB, which is equal to our AC, it is 10, and our DB, it is 15. It is 15, which is equal to 2 over 3. And then now we can take the last ones, BA and then CB. Therefore now we'll have AB over BC, which is 8 over 12, right? AB it is 8, and then now BC it is 12. Therefore it is equivalent to 2 over 3. Therefore now we can conclude that the triangle BCA it is similar to triangle CDB, right? Therefore now we can give a reason that sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion. Therefore now 9.2. Therefore now 9.2, hence prove that AB it is parallel to CD. AB it is parallel to CD. We have to prove that. So we can say 9.2, ABC it is equal to what? To BCD. ABC it is equal to BCD. BCD, right? Because because here is the catch, because the triangle BCA, it is what? It is similar to the triangle CBD. Therefore now the AB here, this B, it is what? Is equal to that one. Therefore now we can say therefore AB, it is parallel to CD, reason being the what? The alternate angles, they form a Z, right? Very good. Therefore now 9.3. So CE is the length in red, right? CE is, calculate the length of CE is 9.3. CE is the length in red. So therefore now 9.3. Also we can use the triangle ABE and triangle DCE. So here you are trying to tell the person who will be marking your script that I'm working on triangle ABE and triangle DCE. Right, so then now we have proved that triangle ABE, all right. Okay, let's start here. So we know that let's start here. Sorry about that. We know that ABC, it is equal to what? To BCD. We have proved this on our last 9.2. It is proved that, and therefore now we also know that AEB, it is equal to CED, right? That's because of the vertical opposite angles, right? So then our AEB, that's the angle in red, it is equal to CED. This is equal to CED because of the what? Because of the vertical opposite angle. Therefore now we can say triangle ABE, it is similar to triangle DCE. Why? Angle, right? So triangle ABE, it is similar to triangle DCE because of the what? Because of the angle. This angle, it is equivalent to this one. This angle is equivalent to this one. Therefore now this angle is going to be equivalent to this one because of the third angle of a triangle. Therefore now we can say AB over DC, it is equal to what? The following ones: BE over CE. Therefore now it is BE over CE, right? Therefore now AB is 8. 8 over our DC, it is 18, is equal to our BE. Our BE, we are given our BE as X, right? X. Let's say our BE it is X because we want to prove the length of CE. Therefore now X over, we know that CE, where is CE? CE, you are given CE as 12 here. So then now we can say CE, it is 12 minus X, right? So yeah, we are told that BC, it is 12. Therefore now we can name BE as X. Therefore now our CE is going to be 12 minus X, right? So if we cross multiply, you will come to a point where you will be having 96 minus 8x, which is equal to 18. All right. Therefore, now your 96, it is equal to 26x. Therefore, now x, it is equal to 3.69. Therefore, now your CE, which is 12 minus x, it is 12 minus 3.69, which is equal to 8.31. Very good. So this is how you will find your CE, right? So you name your BE as X and your CE is going to be 12 minus X, and then now you solve for X. Firstly, you have to using the vertical opposite angles. This angle is also equal to this angle, which was proved. Therefore, now the angle, this angle here and this angle here will be equal because of the third angle of the what? Of the triangles. Therefore, now you solve for X, you will find your what? Your CE. Thank you for watching. If you want more tutoring on maths, physical science, and also life science, please don't hesitate to WhatsApp or call the number on the description below. Thank you for your time.